अत्र कः प्रश्नः? सो स्टाप शेयरिंग. सो व्हाट डाउट्स डू यू हैव? कः प्रश्नः? उन्नत. So you know the words have no pratipadikam, the base, right? Rama is the pratipadikam. Ramaha. Deva. Devaha prathama vibhakti rupam. So Deva is only pratipadikam. Devaha devau devaha. Ramaha ramau ramaha. Pratipadikam, the base is Rama, Deva. You add the vibhakti pratyaya, you get the form Rama. Similarly, Unnata is the base pratipadikam. उन्नत पुल्लिंगे उन्नतः उन्नतौ उन्नताः रामशब्दवत् रूपाणि भवन्ति. स्त्रीलिंगे स्त्रीलिंगे रमा सीता आकारान्त शब्दः, तदा उन्नता इति प्रातिपदिकं भवति. रमा रमे रमाः. उन्नता उन्नते उन्नताः स्त्रीलिंगे. नपुंसकलिंगे पुस्तक शब्दवत्. पुस्तकं पुस्तके पुस्तकानि. प्रातिपदिकम् इस् पुस्तक. प्रथमा विभक्ति रूपाणि पुस्तकं पुस्तके पुस्तकानि. उन्नत प्रातिपदिकं नपुंसकलिंगे अपि. रूपाणि उन्नतम् उन्नते उन्नतानि. अवगच्छन्ति?
Yes, unnatah, right? Not unnatam.
नपुंसकलिंगे उन्नतम्. नपुंसकलिंगे पुस्तकम्. So in napumsakalinga the form you will use is unnatam. शिखरम् उन्नतं शिखरम् अस्ति. शिखरम् उन्नतम् अस्ति. वृक्षः उन्नतः वृक्षः. स्त्रीलिंगे उन्नता उन्नता उन्नते उन्नताः.
So exactly like in pustakam also it is pustakaha.
पुस्तकम् is a napumsakalinga shabda. There is no pustakaha. Pustakam. Pustakam is a napumsakalinga shabda. Pustakam only. Pustakam pustake pustakani. Ekavachanam pustakam.
But we said
Phalam.
unnatam and unnataha is there.
Unnataha is pullinga shabda. So you use unnataha with the pullinga shabdas. Like vrikshaha. Vrikshaha is a pullinga shabda.
Yeah.
So you cannot say unnatam vrikshaha. Wrong. You have to say unnataha vrikshaha. The lingas have to match. You remember? Yeshaha balakaha. You remember? You learned saha. How did you learn? Saha balakaha. Balakaha is pullinga. Saha is pullinga. You don't say tat balakaha. You say tat pustakam. Why? Pustakam is napumsakalinga. Tat is napumsakalinga. Same way, unnatam for napumsakalinga. For pullinga, unnataha. Strilinge, unnata. Just like yesha balika. Balika is strilinga. So you have to say yesha balika. You don't say yeshaha balika. Wrong, right? Same way. Okay, what is the next doubt? Actually, Vishesha Suchana. So there you have that in that book. Balakaha sthulaha. Balika sthula. Are you all seeing that? Page number 60. In the next page, Vishesha Suchana. Sthula. Sthula shabdaha. Right? So sthulaha. Sthulaha meaning, fat. So balakaha sthulaha. Pullinga. Balika sthula. Strilinga shabda. Pustakam sthulam. Pustakam sthulam means what? Is the book fat? It means bigger book. It's like a Vishalam pustakam. It's a big book. Nutana. Nutana also like Granthaha, Nutanaha. So Nutanaha. Pullinga shabdaha. Granthaha, Pullinga shabdaha, Nutanaha. लेखनी नूतना, लेखनी स्त्रीलिंग शब्दः. So you have to use a strilinga rupam. Strilinga rupam is nutana. Yutakam nutanam. Yutakam. Yutakam means shirt. Yutakam. You don't say yutakam nutanaha. Yutakam nutanam. Why? Yutakam is napumsakalinga shabda. You have to use nutanam. Ye tat yutakam nutanam. You cannot say yeshaha yutakam nutanaha. No. Because yutakam is napumsakalinga. You have to say ye tat yutakam. एतत् युतकं नूतनम्. अङ्कनी, एषा अङ्कनी नूतना. नूतना पुल्लिङ्ग. चषकः, एषः चषकः नूतनः. नूतनः चषकः. So why नूतनः? Why not नूतनं? Because चषकः पुल्लिङ्गशब्दः. एषः चषकः. You cannot say एतत् चषकः. Wrong. एषः चषकः नूतनः. So like that, uttama, uttamaha, uttamam, uttama. So all these are called category of visheshanani. So there, like that, others also. Next question. That's all. Yeah.
So this rule applies for adverbs where the lingas needs to match.
It is nothing to do with the adverbs. Anything where there is the right word is visheshanam, adjective. Right now, for example, yeshaha balakaha. Right. There is no question of adverb there. Balakaha. Yeshaha is also Subantam, Namapadam. Balakaha also Namapadam. Namapadam. In Sanskritam, there are no adverbs. Only two kinds of words in Sanskritam. Namapadam, Kriyapadam. Only two words. It's very simple. So Namapadani, Kriyapadani. There are only two kinds. So for Namapadani, when you are using two Namapadani and both are representing the same thing, right? So yeshaha balakaha, yeshaha also is referring to balakaha, balakaha also is referring to balakaha, both referring to the same thing. So yeshaha balakaha. Unnataha vrikshaha. What is vriksha is tall. So that unnata is referring to vriksha only. Both are namapadani, name words. So they have to match. Unnataha vrikshaha. Yeshaha vrikshaha. Balakaha, sundaraha balakaha. Sundaraha adhyapakaha. Right? So where adhyapakaha, sundaraha. Uttamaha adhyapakaha. So adhyapika, then adhyapika will be said, oh, am I not uttama? You know, she also is uttama, Surya. Uttama adhyapika. You cannot say, oh, she says, no, uttamaha adhyapakaha. Why not call me also uttamaha adhyapika? No. She is Uttama Adhyapika. Why? Because that Uttama and Adhyapika both are referring to the same person. So
Then-
that linga has to match.
Then it is called
Namapadani.
Eshaha Mitraha.
Mitraha. Mitram is a Napumsakalinga Shabda. Mitram. Mitra, that word is both in Napumsakalinga and Pullinga also. In Pullinga, Mitraha means Suryaha, sun.
Oh.
Friend is mitram, napumsakalinga shabda. So you have to say etat mitram. Mama mitram. Etat mitram. So mitram is a napumsakalinga shabda.
Like
So-
Gruham is also Napunsakalinga.
Napumsakalinga shabda.
So there is no there is no pulling.
Nitya napumsakalinga shabda. Kruham. Rama is always pullinga. Ramaha. Rama, there is no strilinga for Rama because Ramaha only. Vrikshaha. Vriksha also. Vrikshaha pullinga shabda.
Nagaram.
Oh.
Nagaram also.
Nagaram napumsakalinga shabda. Nagaram. Pushpam. Parnam. Patram. Sambhashanam. Vyakaranam. Ramayanam. Mahabharatam. Vimanam. Astu. I have to stop here. I have to
Then
go to my other
how do you
class.
differentiate the this Vishesha Shuchana Padam from Napunsakalingam and Pullingam. So now it is Nutanaha and Nutanam is also there.
That's what I explained. Nutanaha chashakaha. So it's a new chashaka. So Nutana is referring to the chashaka. So it has to match. Nutanaha chashakaha. So the words like Nutana, evam, Uttama, Unnata, they are available in all the three genders. So that's why you have all those forms. But many words, they are not available in all the genders. They are just unique. Pustakam is only pustaka. Pustaka shabda is always napumsaka. You cannot have multiple forms. But there are certain words like unnata, uttama, dirgha, nutana. If you want to give a name to that, you can call them viseshanani. In English, what we call adjectives, right? But again, if I use the word, then you will think of all English. So words, there are words like viseshanani, that uttama, unnata, dirgha, krusha, sthula, they are called viseshanani. So they are available in all the three genders. They take the appropriate form depending on the namapadam. Nutana is available in all the three forms. But pustaka is not available in all the three forms. Pustaka is pustakam only. See the distinction? Granthaha, Vrukshaha, Pullinga Shabda. Ramaha, Pullinga Shabda. Sita, Akaranta, Strilinga Shabda. Uttama Mahila, Sita. You cannot say Uttamaha, Sita. No, Sita is right fixed Strilinga Shabda. Got it? Bhavati. Atra sthapayami.